Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to set up a VPN on a GL.iNet router. For this video, we will use NordVPN for the setup because it is stable, fast, and works well with GL.iNet routers. If you want to try NordVPN at a great price, use the link in the description. First, log into your NordVPN account on your computer or phone. Click NordVPN. Scroll down to Advanced Settings and click Set up NordVPN manually. Select the Open VPN Configuration Files tab. Choose the server you want and download the OpenVPN configuration file. You will see two options, UDP and TCP. Download the one you prefer. While you are still on the manual setup page, find the Service Credentials tab. Copy the special service username and service password because you will need them for the router. Now open your browser and type the IP address of your GL.iNet router. The default address is 192.168.8.1. Log in with your admin password. If you have not created one before, the router will ask you to set one. After you log in, you will see the GL.iNet dashboard. On the left side, click the VPN menu. Then select Open VPN Client. Click Add a new OpenVPN configuration. Upload the .ovpn file you downloaded from NordVPN. After it uploads, the router will ask for your NordVPN service username and service password. Enter the correct credentials and click Submit. Now click Connect. Wait a moment and you will see the VPN status, your new IP address, and the data sent and received. At this point, your GL.iNet router is successfully connected to NordVPN. If you want, you can open the VPN Policies section to choose which devices should use the VPN and which should not. You can also enable the kill switch. This will block your internet if the VPN disconnects, which helps keep your IP address protected. To confirm your connection, open any IP checking website. It should show the NordVPN server location instead of your real location. Your GL.iNet router is now fully set up with NordVPN. All devices you connect to this router will be protected automatically. If you want to get NordVPN at a great price, use the link in the description.